We got a 2007 Yamaha G29 in here, and we're going to show you how to replace the ignition key switch right here. And first thing we're going to do is remove the seat and flip the tow run switch to tow mode, and then we're going to disconnect the battery negative on the very first battery in the series and remove all the stuff. Make sure we don't cause any electrical issues. So that removed, we're going to pull all this stuff off, tuck it out of the way down here so it can't get back in contact with the battery. And the next thing we're going to do here is we need to remove the cup holder so we can get under this to this little dash. There's one bolt right here that you got to remove. This is a 3mm Allen. So we're going to take this off to gain access. Taken out, we're going to just throw it in there so we don't lose it. You're going to pull up on the front, and it's going to kind of pop out of place. So we got our key switch right here. There is a connector that comes in the back. The tab is on the bottom, so you push up on the tab to compress it and then just kind of wiggle it out till you get it out. With that done, I'll remove the key, and you need to remove this nut, this plastic nut that's on the front. This nut is not going to allow it to slide out through the back. That is a 1-inch, and we're just going to loosen that here. It shouldn't be very tight. So with that loose, you can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So it'll just pull right out just like that. Got a new one right here. Comes with a new set of keys. And the first thing you're going to do on this is just remove that nut. With that removed, you're going to take this, slide it back through the hole in the front, put this plastic nut on there, and snug it by hand, and then come back with your wrench and just give it a little extra just so it won't wiggle loose. And with that in there tight, you just take your electrical connector and just slide it back in just like that. And once it's in, it snaps in place. You can't pull it back out. And we'll simply just take our cup holder, just slide it back in. It'll kind of snap into place. It'll snap into place, seated firmly all along the edges. And you will just run this bolt back down that retains the whole thing. Then we'll come back over here, connect our battery back, all the stuff on our negative post. As you can see, we've got a lot of accessories on this one. And what you'll want to do is tighten this down and make sure you have it good and snug. Any loose connections here will cause the battery to drain over time, and you don't want to have that happen. Those all good and tight. Flip your switch back to run. We'll take our new set of keys here. And there you go.